Hey guys, we're doing the team randoms now for the 8-box break. It's 10:30:55 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants. We're going, no we're not. We're going again. Going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That one. I missed the spot. Best week 30. Copy. Team draw now. Going 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Randomly is complete, and the teams are Rodney, Grizz, Elworthy, Kings, Guildford, Pelicans, Jared David, Wizards, Ash Peters, Lakers, Philip Tran, Cavs, Geary, Pistons, Rodney, Blazers, Albie, Bulls, David Foley, Hornets, Paps with the Jazz, Coulson, Nuggets, George Taylor, Wolves, Lalaga with the Pacers, Simic, Clippers, Albie with the Celtics, Ashley Beckwith, Heat, Corey Leslie Bucks, Andrew Toct with the Sixers, Ruben with the Warriors, Albie Magic, Sanson on Raptors, Mick Ashton Spurs, Scotty Rhodes Mavericks, Mr. Holland Thunder, Chris Michaels Rockets, Michael Geary Hawks, Rodney Suns, James with the Knicks, and Bestwick with the Nets. And that is the team draw. And that's the list. Oy, I'm tired.